Knowing how to caulk a window will save you time and money. Caulk essentially creates a watertight seal that keeps out unwanted pesky insects and moisture, keeps the cool air in the summer and the cold air out in the winter. And with a few easy tips, you'll be caulking like a pro. First thing to consider is that there are various types of caulk to choose from. To pick the right one, review the label to see which fits the need of the project. Next, grab a decent caulk gun. The smooth rod caulk gun will be your new best friend, as it makes applying caulk easy peasy. If you're dealing with moldy, old, or deteriorating caulk, make sure to do some cleanup before applying new caulk. You will need either a utility knife, putty knife, or a caulk removing tool to help scrape off the old caulking. Once removed, clean the surface with some rubbing alcohol or warm water. Let that surface dry. Use a utility knife to cut the tip off of the caulking tube at a 45-degree angle. For fatter lines, cut the nozzle closer to the tube. Sometimes a caulking gun will have a cutter built right in. Finally, use the thin metal rod attached to the caulk gun to pierce the inner seal. Typically, smooth rod caulk guns have a metal trigger on the back. While pressing it down, pull the rod back. Insert the tube with the bottom going in first, and then pull the trigger until the base plate of the rod is firmly against the tube. Practice using the caulk gun on a piece of cardboard. Squeeze the trigger and move down the line at a 45-degree angle and at a consistent pace. If you go too slowly, the caulk might end up clumping, and too fast, areas might not get covered. If the line is too small, go ahead and cut it again to make the size line you are looking for. Once you have the hang of it, go ahead and start caulking. When caulking the window, make sure to point the tip towards the seam. To do this, start away from your body and move the line toward you. Once you reach the middle of the window, stop and turn around to the other side. For a beautiful finish, dip your finger in water and then run the wet finger over the caulk. This will also help push the caulk into the joint and make sure the seal is tight and smooth. Now that you're done, let it dry. Instructions on the caulking tube will let you know how long to wait before you can paint. Fantastic! Now your window is prepped for all kinds of weather. To learn more, go to familyhandyman.com.